How to create account of ITVX. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can create account of ITVX. So if you want to log into ITVX, you have to follow this step. First of all, you have to visit the ITVX website. Just go and choose any of the browser that you want and type the itvx.com here. Once you have typed the itvx.com, so here you can see the ITVX. So if you are looking for the option of sign in or sign off in your ITVX, so you have to tap on the personalize option which is on the top right corner of the screen, and you have to usually tap on that. After that, to sign in or register, you have to write your email here. After writing your email, you have to just go for the continue option, and you have to follow the on-screen instruction to log into your ITVX. So if you have forgotten your password, then you have to click on the forget password option here. So you have to just tap on that and you have to write your email there, and you can successfully sign into your account. Also, you can go to here, and once you are here, you have to write your username and password to sign in or register into your account. And after that, you have to tap on the sign in option here. And here you can see that I have been successfully logged into my ITVX account. So this is the simplest step how you can log in or sign up to your ITVX. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.